body, going up on the lift. She doesn't look like much right now, but you give her time. She's gonna come right around. And here's inside this sucker without the seats. Back in there. It's kind of nasty. Look at the dirt on there. Look at that. Top dirt. Look at that. Top dirt up on there. Mouse turds down there. That's nice. It's dark. Got a nice headliner up in here. Got the headliner. Oh. Yeah. That's nice. Oh. Broke it off. This is not that nice. That's nice. Alright, so putting some of this junk out. This carpet's good though. I like the carpet. It's the original paint color. Put there. And the weeds. Oh, chipping up through it. I have to repaint it. Dang it. Have that in the budget. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that speaker. Hopefully you guys see this. Oh man. Look at the amp. Look at the sub. Oh yeah. Set the desert, the Las Vegas desert sun for, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years. So this is vinyl. I don't know if you guys can hear the cracking of how brittle it is. Look at that. This stuff is old. It's just cracking. So brittle. Just too bad because it was probably nice at one point. It could be cleaned up. Not really my style. Not really the style that we're gonna go with. I don't know if we're gonna use these seats. If we do end up building kind of a little bit of a race car or track car or something out of this thing, we'll probably just do race seats. So we'll get away from these seats anyway. Let's see what color the carpet is now. Some brown. There's the blue. Match the car. This is a sharp machine back there. Redid it. And nice how back seat is. Oh, she's plush. White blue vinyl. Crunchy and toasty. while, you're gonna be YouTube famous before you know it.